can't believe I'm doing this.
But it's 20 points.
This is so embarrassing.
Let's just get it over with.
There's a little term called epoxidation. You start up with an alkene and end with carboxylic acid. In order for this to happen, you need a certain reagent. MCPBA will do the trick to make its product. Well, what is MCPBA? Here's how to explain it. It's an RC double bond OOH. Show the arrow pushing mechanism and you get this shape. This will be on the test, so remember it quick.
Another thing you should keep in mind is hydrogenation. Remember this because on the test it will be a 5-point question. An alkyne is what you begin with and you end up with different products. Depending on what you use, there are many ways to get it started. If you choose to use NaNH3, you will start with an alkyne and end up with a transalkene. Starting with 2 equivalents of H2PDC can be such a pain, but hey, it will turn your alkyne into an alkane. The very third reaction is Lindlar's catalyst. Out of the 3, it probably reacts the fastest. Turns that alkyne into a cisalkene. But don't be fooled because we're using quinoline. It's a benzene ring attached to something, attached to a ring that looks like a pyridine.
I'm going to try my best to make this rhyme. Now let's go back to the beginning of time. Can't forget about those damn Newman projections, which you may have to turn into chair conformations. There are 2 types of Newman projection called staggered and eclipse. Staggered looks like that, and eclipse looks like this.
What I hate most is synthesis. The whole entire process is not pure bliss. There's a guy named Rakarnikov, and you can add your H to the least substituted carbon to form that most stable carbocation.
3.
Chapters 7, 8, and 9 dealt with different reactions. You have substitution and elimination. SN1 and SN2 doesn't usually compete, but SN1 and E1 does have some beef. When you're stuck in a situation like this, you do both the reactions, pick the major product, and you made it happen. Elimination creates double bonds, whereas substitution does not. Instead, it breaks and moves bonds along.
We hope you enjoyed our rap.
Yes, we know it was crap.
Now get your ass up.
And go study ASAP.
Yo, skiggity scat.
Take it home, Matt.
I love organic chemistry, not as much as you see, but I still love organic chemistry, always and forever, always and forever. We met in a lab room, now our love can fully bloom, but the reactions never worked out for me or you. Halohydrin phlogenations, hydroboration. Now I'm gonna end the song, 'cause I have one more test to bomb. Why do you hate me? Organic chemistry, but you still hate me. Always and forever. Always and forever.
So we'd like to make a shout out to Ali.
Ali!
Thank you for recording the video.
Chemistry.